Hello students. So let's start with our next topic, that is electrical properties of solid. So when we talk about electrical properties, we have to understand what is conductor, what is insulator, and what is semiconductor. So conductor means the one who conduct electricity very efficiently. The efficiency of conduction of electricity is very high. So इसका range है, they are in particular range. So electrical conductivity of our conductors, electrical conductivity is in range of 10 raised to 4 to 10 raised to 7 ohms. And they are efficiently conduct electricity. Now conductors are of two types. They can be metals. Metals conduct electricity, and also electrolytes, electrolytic solution conduct electricity. Metal conduct electricity, that is due to the movement of electrons, movement of electrons. And electrolytes conduct electricity, that is because of movement of ions. So this is the basic difference. Conductors दो टाइप के हैं, metals and electrolytes. So metal conducts because of the movement of electrons. When electron travels from one place to another place, electricity gets conducted. And electrolytes are conducting electricity, that is because of movement of ions. When ions travels from one place to another place in a solution, electricity gets conducted. Next is insulators. Insulators don't conduct electricity. They don't conduct electricity. So electrical conductivity is in range of 10 raised to minus 20 to 10 raised to minus 10 ohms. So mostly non-metals are insulators, and molecular solids are insulators. Semiconductors, so ये electricity conduct करते हैं, but not as efficiently as conductors, but they conduct electricity. Okay, so इनका जो electrical conductivity है, it lies between the conductor and insulator. इसका units में I'm just making the corrections. Okay, not efficient as conductors. So mostly metalloids होते हैं semiconductors. So silicon and germanium are the semiconductors. Okay. Now, to study the electrical properties of solid, we should know what is band theory. Okay. And band theory समझने के लिए we should know what is conduction band, valence band and band gap. So conduction band का मतलब है, conduction band is higher energy band. Now, for example, we have sodium metal 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay. अभी this is first shell, second shell, third shell. बट सोडियम में फोर्थ शेल भी रहेगा, वो एम्प्टी रहेगा, फिफ्थ शेल भी रहेगा, एम्प्टी रहेगा, सिक्स शेल भी रहेगा, वो भी एम्प्टी रहेगा. सो दिस 5 6 4 5 6 दिस आर दी हायर एनर्जी बैंड्स. व्हेन ऑर्बिटल्स का साइज इंक्रीज होता है, सो एनर्जी लेवल आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. सो फर्स्ट 2 3 4 5 6. सो 3 तक, थर्ड इज द वैलेंस बैंड. उसके वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रेजेंट इन वैलेंस बैंड एंड दिस आर दी हायर एनर्जी बैंड्स. ओके. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कंडक्टेड. Electricity is conducted when electrons jump from valence band to conduction band. Electricity is conducted when electron jumps from valence band to conduction band. And conduction band में जब भी वो move करेंगे, in conduction band electrons move and conduct electricity. Okay. Now valence band. What is valence band? Valence electrons are initially present in valence band. These are the lower energy band. This is lower energy band. To conduct electricity, electron should move from valence band to conduction band. In valence band, electron is immobile. That is due to its attraction with nuclei. जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे रहेगा, इधर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 8 है, this is 1. So this one electron is attracted to this nuclei when it is in here. But ये जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 में जाएगा, 5 में जाएगा, 6 में जाएगा, attraction will get decreased. Attraction with nucleus will get decreased and it starts to move from one place to another place in conduction band, and therefore electricity is conducted. Now what is band gap? The difference in energy between conduction band and valence band is band gap. If difference is very large, if difference of energy is very large, then electrons cannot move from valence band to conduction band, and therefore that band gap is known as forbidden gap. Forbidden gap means हम लोग वो electrons cannot cross that large gap, and electricity भी conduct नहीं होगा. If electron is not moving from valence band to another, so no conduction of electricity. So if there is forbidden gap, there will be no conduction of electricity. If band gap is less, electrons easily jump from valence band to conduction band and conducts electricity. Okay. अगर बैंड गैप मीडियम साइज का है, बैंड गैप इज ऑफ मीडियम, बैंड गैप इज मीडियम, सो एक्सटर्नली हम लोग हीट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एक्सटर्नली हीट इज प्रोवाइडेड, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर एक्साइटेड, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को एक्साइट करते हैं एंड देन दैट एक्साइटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव फ्रॉम वैलेंस बैंड टू कंडक्शन बैंड. सो फॉरबिडन गैप जो होता है वो इंसुलेटर में प्रोड्यूस होता है. इट इज प्रेजेंट वेरी स्मॉल, is present in metal and this is present in semiconductor. Okay, so now let's study the conductor. So conductor यानी the one who conducts electricity. So you can see here, this is valence band and this is conduction band. So electrons जो है वो easily cross कर रहे हैं valence band से conduction band में. So when electrons are easily transferred from valence band to conduction band, electricity is also conducted. So conductors कौन होते हैं? They are the metals. What are the conductor? Metals are the conductor of electricity. In metals, outermost shell consists of number of valence electron. And since energy gap between valence band and conduction band is very less, electrons easily jump from valence band to conduction band and electricity is conducted. So initially electrons कहाँ पे present होते हैं? Valence band में present होते हैं and then they move to conduction band. And in conduction band वो कैसे होते हैं? Highly mobilized होते हैं and therefore they conduct electricity. Okay. Next is insulator. Now you can see here gap, जो electrons कहाँ पे है? Valence band में है. So what are the non-metals are mostly insulators. So electrons are present only in valence band. You can see in picture. Conduction band is empty. Whereas in conductor you can see conduction band कैसा है? Fully filled है. Conduction band is fully filled with electrons. And here conduction band is empty. No electron is present. The gap, this gap is forbidden gap. This is forbidden gap. The gap between valence band and conduction band is very large and therefore electrons cannot jump from valence band to conduction band and no conduction of electricity. Next is semiconductor. Now, semiconductor, metalloids, silicon and germanium. Now here you can see electrons are present in valence band as well as in conduction band. Valence band consist of number of electrons but with less energy. Now, if thermal energy is given to them, they will become excited and they will move from conduction valence band to conduction band. And when they will go in conduction band, electricity will get conducted. Clear? So at a temperature above, at the temperature above absolute zero, on supply of thermal energy, electron becomes excited and jump to conduction band. So conduction band becomes partially filled with electron, partially filled with electron, and therefore it conducts electricity. Okay. Now, semiconductor are of two types: intrinsic and extrinsic. इंट्रिंसिक में क्या होता है? प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर ही रहेगा ये. मीन्स जैसे अगर मैं सिलिकॉन लेती हूँ, सिलिकॉन इज 284, so here there will be only silicon present, but उसका जो efficiency है, it is not as good as metals. Okay, this is this intrinsic, means pure semiconductor material which has very low electrical conductivity. Intrinsic semiconductor क्या होता है? It is a pure semiconductor which has low conductivity. Okay, but ये सेमीकंडक्टर का conductivity can be increased by externally adding the impurity. Okay, so this we are going to study. Intrinsic semiconductor we are going to study here in next slide. Extrinsic semiconductor and doping. So to increase the conductivity of semiconductor, externally impurity are added. Externally impurities are added, forming extrinsic semiconductor. Now what is doping? Doping क्या होता है? What is doping? The process of adding impurity in small quantity to semiconductor to increase the conductivity is doping. So doping के वजह से ही extrinsic semiconductor बनता है. Now semiconductors are from group 14. Are from group 14. Impurities are added to it. From group 13 and 15. Okay. 13 का impurity ऐड करेंगे तो p टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बनता है. 15 का ऐड करते हैं तो n टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बनता है. Okay, now we'll study this in detail in next line. Now n type of semiconductor. अभी semiconductor कैसा होता है? Suppose मैंने ये silicon ले लिया. So we'll have a network of silicon. ये थोड़ा बना लेती हूँ diagram. So silicon has 4 electrons in outermost shell, so it makes 4 bonds. ठीक है? Now n type of semiconductor का मतलब है negative type of semiconductor. Negative type of semiconductor. So this is made with 15 group impurity. So जैसे अभी मैंने यहाँ पे boron add कर लिया. I have added boron. मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे boron add कर दिया. I'm adding the boron. Now boron is what? 2,3. So it has 3 electron in outermost shell. So ये क्या करेगा? 3 सिलिकॉन के साथ में बॉन्ड बनाएगा. So sorry. एक मिनट. बोरॉन नहीं. I am taking phosphorus. Phosphorus 285. ठीक है. So phosphorus के पास में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं? 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन outermost shell. So this is phosphorus का इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे है. So phosphorus ने क्या किया? यहाँ पे बॉन्ड्स बनाया सिलिकॉन के साथ. बट उसके बावजूद यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री है. 4 bonds बनाया, but still we have 1 free electron. So this free electron moves in entire network and conduct electricity. Electron is negatively charged. Electron जो है वो negative charged है, and therefore it is known as N type of semiconductor. So one electricity is conducted due to 1 free electron present in phosphorus, and therefore it is known as N-type semiconductor. N for negative, therefore N-type of semiconductor. Okay. Next is P-type of semiconductor. So same again, same मुझे मैं डायग्राम बना लेती हूँ सिलिकॉन का, एंड फिर सब बताती हूँ तुम लोग को यहाँ पे कैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट होता है. Okay, so P type यानी positive type of semiconductor. Okay, now this is formed due to doping of group 13. तो अभी मैं बोरॉन ले लेती हूँ 2,3. 3। सो अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्या करती हूँ, एक यूजुअल मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक कर रही हूँ, बट जब भी एक्चुअल जो सेमीकंडक्टर होता है उसमें मोर देन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर। ठीक है, सो ये मैंने बोरॉन को यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर दिया। सो बोरॉन के आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है। सो ये 3 बॉन्ड्स बन गए, दिस आर दी 3 बॉन्ड्स। नाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नॉट हैविंग एनीवन टू मेक बॉन्ड, और यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, इसका मतलब क्या है, होल है। When there is no electron in a network, there creates a hole, and hole क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव होता है। होल इज व्हाट, पॉजिटिव। सो सिंस दिस इज पॉजिटिव, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेगा, इसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा और इधर मूव होगा। सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होगा, इधर ड्रॉप हो जाएगा। इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होगा, इट विल गेट ड्रॉप, इट विल गेट ड्रॉप इन दिस होल। ठीक है, तो जब भी ये होल में ड्रॉप होगा, इसका मतलब हियर देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, होल आ जाएगा। हियर देयर इज होल। नाउ दिस होल इज अगेन पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर है, इधर है, इधर है, ये सब इसको अट्रैक्ट करेंगे। तो अभी ये क्या करेगा, एक इसमें का इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेगा, अपना बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेगा, अपना बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेगा और क्या करेगा, इसके अंदर जंप करेगा। ठीक है, सो व्हेन इट विल जंप हियर, उसके जगह पे क्या हो गया, होल क्रिएट हो गया। अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर जंप करेगा तो इसके जगह पे होल हो गया। नाउ हियर देयर इज होल, तो ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, ये होगा या फिर एक होगा। तो इधर अभी सपोज ये ब्रेक हुआ तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर जंप किया तो इधर होल। तो ये होल क्या कर रहा है, पूरे सर्किट में मूव कर रहा है, and it is conducting the electricity. So here electricity is conducted because of hole, and therefore it is known as positive type of semiconductor. Hole is positive and therefore it is known as positive type of semiconductor. So electricity is conducted due to presence of positively charged hole. And therefore it is known as p-type semiconductor. P for positive, P for p-type semiconductor. Okay, all of you. So now like तुम लोग का almost chapter is completed. Only one topic is left, that is magnetic property of solid. So that I will cover in next lecture. Now all of you, you must be knowing कि तुम लोग को ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन बैंक्स मिल गया रहेगा बोर्ड का, तो स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग इट। मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सारे क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे कवर कर लिए हैं ये चैप्टर में, तो उसको स्टार्ट करो सॉल्व करने के लिए। ओके ऑल ऑफ यू, सो मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर।